Hello, and welcome back to Heidi's Homemade Quilts and More. I'm Heidi. All right, I have another unboxing for you of diamond paintings. This one comes from O Olae, Oloee. Um, and it came in that garbage bag type thing, so I opened it up, but I have not opened the boxes yet. I ordered two diamond paintings from them because they were rather expensive. I want to say it was like $100 for the two paintings. Probably a little bit more than that. But I wanted to see what they were like. And it did take about a month to get to me. All right. So box number one. It's like really in there. All right. So we got some diamonds. More diamonds in the bottom. Pull this down. It did have, I should say, a bunch of rubber bands on it, which I'm okay with as long as it doesn't hurt the canvas. But the canvas, you see that? It's like all wrinkled in there. We'll see what that looks like. As much as I paid for these, this should not have wrinkles. Some more diamonds. Blood diamonds. All right, so this has two big strips of tape. It's huge, which is a wonderful thing. Oh, okay. It's only on the outside, which is good. But still, I mean, really, why would, like, as much as I paid for this, it should not be. Does this have like a, good, it has the image. Alright, so this guy has the inventory sheet, so I'm going to open him up. And it does not say how many. He's 50 by 65 centimeters, so we will measure him shortly. Let me see, I have 1, 2. 41 colors. All right, and then this is the image. I believe it's called Fantasy Library. Okay. And there is a itty bitty little thumbnail. And it only has the symbols on the right hand side. But look at that thumbnail. You can even tell what that is. Here's the thumbnail. All right. Let's peel back a little bit of this tape and see what the symbols look like. Oh, the symbols look great. Symbols look good. Focus. There we go. Shouldn't be any problem. Might want a light pad, but shouldn't be any problem. I don't see anything jumping out at me saying there's a problem with this. All right. So let's measure him really quick before we take a look at the diamonds. And the diamonds again are square. All right. So it says he's supposed to be 50 by 65. Let's see how true to size he is. And he is 65 by $51. Good. Good. So far, other than this little crinkle right here, doesn't look too bad. There's the back. Back looks great. I don't see any problems with that. Fabulous. I was really hoping, because I really like this image. All right. Let me roll him up. And, all right. So let's take a look at some of these diamonds. There's holy dark colors. L310. Yeah, that's L310. Holy 310. Look at that. All 310. It says 12,030. 310. 902. Diamonds look great. I don't see any tabs or flashing. Yeah, they look great. Okay. And there's a lot of color in there. 2 bags of diamonds. 2 full bags of diamonds. Good night, Sherry. Have those together. So, don't lose any of those. Let's take one of these rubber bands and put it together so I know that this all goes to the same kit. There's Holy Diamonds Batman. Look at that. 2 full bags of diamonds. Beautiful. Okay. Box number 2. Let's see what he is. I remember that one. I don't remember which one this one was supposed to be. So we will see. Oh, there's my kits. I was wondering where that was. So I got 2 kits. Looks like they're the same. Just got a clear pen, some wax, generic tweezers, and a few baggies. But it does have the white boat with the funnel, which I like. I don't use the green ones. I don't have a use for anything that doesn't have a funnel because it makes it very hard to put it back. All right, let's see. Oh, there's another kit. Wow, they sent me 4 kits. All the same, but 4 kits. Probably these are such big canvases. All right, more rubber bands. And there's a rubber band in there, but that's okay. Otherwise, the box is empty. Holy rubber bands. Jeez. It's like 5 rubber bands in there. All right. Got some diamonds here. Oh, and there's like a little, Christmas ornament or something. Hang on, I'll show it to you. There's some more diamonds. All right. So that is kind of cute. A little creepy looking, but kind of cute. Ooh. Interesting. Oh, that wasn't attached. Oops. Okay, I guess I'll have to reattach that. And that glitter is going to be all over the place. But that little guy was in my package. Now, he is not heavy enough to be a cover minder because he is super light. And yeah, he's supposed to hang, I guess. Back looks a little funky, but cute. Kind of creepy. Let's see his face. A little creepy. Interesting. and to the side. 2 bags of diamonds again. And this one is a 40 by 60. Oh, yes. So this is like the book pathway. All right, let me count how many. 31 colors, so not as many colors. So, that, see that? Pathway, lit up pathway of books. I read a lot. I think last year I read something like 150 books. I keep track. So yeah, books, fantasy, that kind of stuff is all right up my alley. Looks like they did, oh, holy cow, 15,515, 310. A lot of black. And I'm assuming that's pretty much this whole bag. So let's take a look here. Yeah, there's a few greens, a dark brown, one lonesome little bag there. I like that they have the DMC number at least. Look at all. Oh, that's not even 310. That's 310. This is 310. This is green. That's brown. That's 3371. More 3371. Maybe there's no black in this one. That might be black. Yeah, that's 310. So there's 310 in here, and then there's also 310 in this bag. All right. A lot of 310. Holy cow. All right. Okay. Enough. Okay. Here is the canvas. And there's only the one symbol chart on the upper right hand side. And again, this one's supposed to be 40 by 60. We will measure them really quick here. The other one was true to size, so I'm assuming this one's going to be true to size as well. He is 41. So rolled. Okay. And that is one big piece of tape. And he is 61. So 41 by 61 is his actual size. So right on with the measurements, let's take a look at the canvas clarity. Corner. Oh, beautiful. Check that out. I mean, you could not get any clearer than that. Let's see if my camera will focus on it. Maybe. It's super clear. I don't know if you can see it, but I can. The only way these could be better, honestly, is if they were poured glue instead of the tape. Super excited to work on these. Alright guys, that is it for my diamond painting haul that I got today in the mail. So I hope you guys had a great night, and thanks so much for stopping by and checking out what I got. Thanks. Have a good one.